Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a binary file, and this video will also help you in creating your project using binary file. Now here I am creating a student database, and the student database I have taken it in the form of a dictionary where admission number is the key of the student and the other values, the name, the address, the phone number are the values of the key. Now to create a binary file, we are going to use the pickle module. Now what does pickle do? Pickle has two functions which we'll be using are load and dump. The pickle module does serializing and deserializing. What is serializing? It converts your Python data type to zeros and ones form, your binary format. That is done with the help of dump. So dump does the serialization. If you give any Python data type, no matter it is a list or a tuple or a string or a dictionary, it will convert it into binary format, the zeros and ones. And load will do unserializing, that means unpickling, that means it will convert your binary format to the Python data type. We'll be also using the OS module, and in my previous video I have discussed all the functions in the OS module. Now let's move to the first function, is creating a binary file. So this is a definition function method I have created as createRec. I have opened the file name student.dat. As you can see, there is no such file by the name student.dat in my dictionary, in my list of directories. So I will be creating this file student.dat. Now the mode is WB, which means writing onto a binary file. So what does writing will do? If this file does not exist, it will create, and if it already exists, will overwrite the contents, and whatever I will write now will be written fresh on it. In my project, I have also ensured that uniqueness of every record should be done. So how am I doing it? I am creating a txt file, a text file, and I am writing admission number myself, which is 0. So when I create a student record in my database, it will be given the admission number automatically as 0 plus 1. So the next child will be given 1 plus 1, which is 2, and next child will be given 2 plus 1 as 3. So as you can see, when you go and take an admission in a school, you do not get admission number of your choice, but rather school gives you an admission number. So to ensure that every child admission number is unique, I am taking a help of a text file. So I am writing the content 0 onto it, and I am closing the file. After that, I have taken a variable called admission number. Since this is the module that I will be using for creating the database once, and if you want to add further more records into it, then you can do it with append. So createRec will be called only once for the file creation for the first time in the database. Now I am asking the user to enter the data. Now the admission number is 0, so 0 plus 1 makes it admission number as 1. I have taken a dictionary in which admission number is the key of the dictionary and the value are the list. And what does list contain? A list contains the name and the phone number. I have taken 2 values. You can go with as many values as you want, like sibling details, subjects taken, phone number, address, and many more things. Now just to see it on the screen, I have even printed what the dictionary looked like. Now the main function is, using the pickle module, I have used dump function, which will dump the dictionary, will write the dictionary onto the file F, and the file F is attached with student.dat. The extension does not tell it's a binary or a text file. It is a mode which tells. If I have put the mode as B, it will be the binary file created no matter whatever is the extension. And wherever it is not there, it means text file by default. So here it is going to create a txt file. Now after dumping the record, I am asking the user Do you want to enter more records? So if the choice is no, I don't want to enter, then I'm breaking out of the while true loop. While true is an infinite loop, I am taking. Now if the user says yes, it will go back again, ask the user the details for the next child, and will give the admission number. Now, supposing you have taken the details of the two students. So the admission number last was 2. So you need to write the changed admission number back onto number.txt. So I have opened the number.txt now in the writing mode, and I have, since admission number is an integer, I have used the inbuilt function str to convert it to a string and written onto my file. So you will see in the number.txt now 2 will be written, because when I'm going to add more records, it will fetch the last value, which is 2, and will add +1 to it and give it to the next child. So let me run and show it to you. I'll be calling this function createRec. So let me press enter. Now it is asking me two things, as you can see, the name and the phone number. So let me write the name as and the phone number as this. Now it is going back in the while true loop and asking me, do you want to add more records? Let me insert one more record by saying yes, and then let me insert another record and then give the phone number. Now finally it is asking me, do you want to enter more records? I say no. So the function createRec has come to an end.